Which way are we going to go?
That way.
We can't go that way because it's all muddy that way, Luke.
That way.
Which way?
That way.
Go on then, show me.
I'm holding Nanny's hand.
You're holding Nanny's hand.
Okay. Blue.
So which way are you taking me? You're going to see the man at the gate?
Yes.
Go on then. You walk down there and Nanny take a video of you.
See Nanny safe.
Go with CoCo.
Where?
Go find CoCo.
CoCo. Where is he safe? Where Nanny safe? Where Nanny safe?
Man at the gate. Shall we go up this path?
Where Nanny safe? See Nanny safe.
Oh no. Naughty nettles. None help you.
Oh.
Go on then.
See Nanny safe.
Keep going.
See
Through the woods.
Nanny safe. Nanny safe.
The man at the gate isn't there today.
Oh. Oh.
Keep going.
Yes.
Go find CoCo up there.
No, CoCo Pop. No.
No Cocoa Pops.
Yeah.
I think there is. Go see if you can find her.
No.
Shout her.
CoCo Pop. It's in.
Where is Cocoa Pop?
I think you're there.
Coco. Coco, come sit. There she is.
There is.
Who's that there?
CoCo Pop.
Cocoa Pops. Cocoa Pops in the wood.
CoCo Pop.
Corey's in the wood. Corey's in the wood.
Money days.
You want to see the man? Where's Coco going?
Stop.
Shall we follow her?
Yes.
Go on then.
Oh no, that way.
Okay.
CoCo, that way.